Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some pleasant conditions across the region this morning. Just seeing a bit of a breezy northeasterly wind across the area, and it's picked up the last hour or so. Seeing some wind sustained around 15 to 17 knots out of the northeast. So a bit breezy out there. Otherwise, going to see a tranquil day with no chances of precipitation or lightning, and temperatures comfortable in the mid 70s. So taking a look at our sounding from this morning, freezing level at 13,600 feet. Winds are light throughout the column and seeing a peak wind at 3,000 feet at 26 knots. Then winds southwesterly and light and variable in the mid-levels, and then seeing a southwesterly flow at 17 knots at 25,000 feet. Taking a look at current surface analysis, high pressure ridging down the Mid-Atlantic from the northeast states, low pressure off the coast. It's giving us that northeasterly onshore flow. Otherwise, just that high pressure in control. So taking a look at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we do have mostly clear skies in general across the region. Just seeing a bit of cirrus cloudiness moving overhead currently, and a little bit of fair weather stratus clouds across the area. Otherwise, seeing that cloud cover the area, low pressure remaining off the coast this morning. So taking a look at the HRM model for today, you can see we do have mostly sunny skies, and then this evening into the overnight hours, going to see the cloud cover increase across the region, expecting mostly cloudy skies by tomorrow morning for our rock-on setup. And continuing on through Friday, going to see variable cloudiness, but in general, mostly cloudy skies. Could see some partly cloudy skies from time to time on Friday. Then once we move into Friday night, going to see a weak trough continue to move over the area, and could see a spotty shower Saturday morning, but otherwise remaining dry across the region. So taking a look at the European model for the next few days, you can see we do have a slight chance of a rain shower on the European model on Friday afternoon. Most likely that would be west of our region and not over Wallops, but can't rule out of sprinkle. And then we move into our Saturday, a slightly better chance of a pop-up shower on Saturday. Instability looks to be fairly low on Saturday, so only a very slight chance of a thunderstorm. And once we move into Sunday, I'm going to see that Bermuda high really start to take hold of our weather pattern and give us warm and humid conditions for next several days past Sunday, and only a slight chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm on Sunday. Monday, continuing with those warm and humid conditions with that high pressure in control. Tuesday, much the same. So a very summery weather pattern coming up for next week, as is expected this time of year, with temperatures warming in the upper 80s to lower 90s possible. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll see a slight chance, I should say, of a wind advisory, expecting winds gusting to 23 knots. We'll see a high around 74 degrees, a low tonight of 59 with variable winds less than 5 knots. We'll see cloud ceilings possibly below 500 feet and a slight chance of that occurring. The next 24 hours for our terminal forecast, going to see a VFR conditions today, and then overnight going to see that low-level cloud cover start to build in, a chance of a broken deck around 800 feet after midnight, and then by Friday morning at 8 local, expecting mostly cloudy conditions with a broken deck around 1,500 feet. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking at Friday and Saturday, Friday mostly cloudy, a slight chance of low clouds, very slight chance of a sprinkle as well, a high of 78. We'll see Friday night more humid with a low of 71. We'll see those mostly cloudy conditions with a slight chance of low clouds continuing. And for Saturday, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of a shower by late morning. It'll be humid once again with a high of 83 degrees. So the next 7 days, slight chances of rain, or very slight chances of a shower on Friday and Sunday at 15%. A slightly better chance on Saturday, as that trough looks to be closer to the region, as well as a bit more instability. So can't rule out that shower popping up overhead. We'll see temperatures, as I mentioned, warming into more of a summertime type pattern, with lows in the lower 70s to mid 70s and highs by Wednesday of next week into the upper 80s to lower 90s. So going to see some hot, humid conditions working its way in for the latter portion of next week, and really a summertime type weather pattern taking hold. Very slight chances of pop-up showers and thunderstorms next week. Most likely will stay dry and warm. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today.